Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to verify email in Olymptrade account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch up an Olymptrade application. Make sure you're logged into your account. So if you created your account using your email address, it is very easy to verify your email. A link will be automatically sent to your email address. But if you didn't use the email option to create your account, what you have to do is tap on the profile icon that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the profile interface. Tap on the option settings that you can see at bottom. Now you'll be led to the settings interface. You'll be able to access the settings options from here. Over here, what you have to do is find the option for contacts and tap on it. Now you'll be led to the contacts interface. You can see over here my email is already confirmed. But if your email is not confirmed, over here you'll be able to find the option for confirm email address. All you have to do is tap on it. After that, you'll have to enter your email address. Now after doing that, a mail will be sent to your email. So what you have to do is launch open Gmail. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now over here, you'll be able to find the email sent by Olymptrade. All you have to do is tap on it. You'll be able to see the email confirmation link over here. Simply tap on the option confirm email. Now you'll be redirected to the browser. Now after that, your email will be verified. Since my email has already been verified, something went wrong, but your email will be verified. So like this, you'll be able to verify the email. So that is how you verify email in Olymptrade account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.